Hello, now we're going to be looking at Dropbox assignments and options. So, first we're going to go to Assessment, Dropbox, then we're going to go to New Folder. We'll name it Folder 1. And we're going to look at Originality check here. We're going to enable this folder. I'm going to have it scored out of 10. And I'm going to show advanced originality checking options. So, we are going to scroll all the way to the top, and we're going to allow submitters to see originality reports. So from there we should be good to save and close. And there we are. We have folder 1, and here you can see that originality check is enabled. So now I'm going to show you how to add a rubric. So we go to Course Admins, and then we're going to scroll down to Administration, Tools, and now we're going to go all the way down. We're going to find Rubrics. We're going to make sure that that is checked. So, from here we're going to go to Assessment, Rubrics, and then we're going to go ahead and hit New Rubric. And we're going to name this Rubric 1. And the type is Analytic. So Analytic gives us the options for multiple criterions. And then here we have multiple score at the bottom. So you can do this, you can add criterion, and you can see that it adds an additional level. So over here you can add additional level after, and there you are. Instead of 4 levels, we now have 5. Let's call this level 0. We'll call this criterion 1, and this can be criterion 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause and fill this out for you. And there we go. It's all filled out. Now obviously you're going to want these to be filled out specifically and in more detail to the kind of criteria that you want to create. But this is about how to create the rubric in general. So from here we're going to go ahead and hit Close. And there we have Rubric 1. So from here we can go to all the way up to Assessment. Let's go back to Dropbox. So let's take a look at folder 1, and let's edit this folder. And here we can add a rubric. Here we are, and we'll check that off. Add selected, save and close. And there we are.